Hello everyone, it's Thursday, July 23rd. I want to do a quick garden update. I mentioned previously that we've got some soil problems that are stunting the growth of some of our plants. That's definitely a theme here. Here's one of our cucumber plants. You can see there are some fruits on it. The way that they're sitting, and since they're not hanging on the trellis, causes them to be misshapen, but they should be edible. Lemon drop pepper is just now getting some fruit. One of our cherry tomatoes here. We've been getting a little bit of fruit from this. It's going okay, but the plant's not very big. Here's our other cucumber. And if you look down there, real deep, there's another fruit there. That's actually ready to pick, it looks like. Parsley, chard, carrots. I think this is the Tabasco pepper. So there's a few fruit on there. It's not bad, but it's not great either. A lot of flowers. Maybe we'll get some more. Kale, we just started that. Oregano. Kale from the spring, growing extremely slowly. Basil. Vermont cranberry beans, both of these plots. These are growing really well. This is more parsley. And then these are daikon radishes. Over here we have our green pole beans. Those look like they're actually doing really well. Our squash died, unfortunately. Don't know why, but it's completely gone. Our other cherry tomato, also getting some fruit, but not very big. Derby, green bush bean. Carrots. This is, I think, a broccoli. It's broccoli or cauliflower, I'm not sure. Kale, again, from the spring, growing very slowly. This is pak choi. Looks like some of them got eaten. We've got one left. These, I think, are beets from the spring that still need to be replaced. More bush beans here. These are derbies again. This is kohlrabi, again, growing very slowly. These are rockdor bush beans. More kohlrabi, and you can see this one might actually make a head that we can eat. I think this is more rockdor bush beans here, and then our chives. Over here we've got our marigolds on the end, some lettuce behind that. These are the ahi rico peppers here. And there was a ripe one on this yesterday, which has been stolen, unfortunately. Shouldn't have left it. Some chard that we just planted. More lettuce. Here's a Roma tomato that's ripe. Again, this plant is growing very slowly, but it's nice to get a fruit off of it. More lettuce. This Brussels sprout plant hasn't really grown at all for the past 2 months, so that's going nowhere. Basil. This looks like a radish. I'm not sure what that is. This is a cauliflower that we recently planted. Here's a broccoli. There was some kale in here. It looks like it maybe got eaten. This might be one, but it could be a weed. It's too early to tell. Cayenne peppers. More lettuce. Brandywine tomato without a single fruit on it yet. All the flowers just sort of abort, so not sure what's going on there. Maybe it's the soil problem. And here are our raspberries. These are all looking pretty good. You can see there are a few berries, and this plant on the end we actually were able to eat 3 berries from, so that was kind of fun. Okay, so things are going okay. Not great, but better than nothing, and there's still a decent amount of summer left, so we'll see if we can get some more tomatoes and beans and peppers. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.